Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I have another wonderful recipe for you. A fragrant, perfectly textured orange peel marmalade. I highly recommend you try it. Let's get started with the recipe. 6 thick-skinned oranges, make sure they are thick-skinned. Grate the outer skin finely using the fine side of a grater. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar to the grated orange peel. Mix it, place it in a freezer bag, and store it in the freezer. This creates an excellent aromatic ingredient you can add to cakes, pastries, and desserts. Cut the top and bottom of the orange as shown in the video. Then, peel the skin as demonstrated in the video. Roll the orange peels as shown in the video, and skewer them as demonstrated. Beforehand, adjust the skewers to fit the size of your pot and place them in the pot. Add enough water to cover them, change the water several times, and let them soak overnight. The purpose of this process is to remove the bitter taste from the orange peels. The orange peels have soaked in water for 1 day. Drain and discard the bitter water. Add clean water and boil for about 10 minutes. Boil for 10 minutes, then drain the bitter water. Add clean water again and boil for another 10 minutes. Repeat this process a total of 4 times. After completing these steps, taste the orange peels. They should not have a bitter taste. If there is still a bitter taste, continue boiling and draining the orange peels until the bitterness is gone. My orange peels are no longer bitter. For the marmalade syrup, 4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Mix them and bring to a boil. To reduce foaming during cooking and to make the marmalade shiny, add half a teaspoon of butter. During boiling, occasionally skim the foam that forms on the surface. Once the syrup boils, add the prepared orange peels. Simmer on medium-low heat for about 45 minutes. Occasionally turn the orange peels with tongs. Before removing the marmalade from the heat, add about 4 grams of citric acid to prevent crystallization while it cools. Stir well. To check if the marmalade is ready, take a spoonful of syrup, place it on a small plate, and quickly cool it in the freezer to check its consistency. If the marmalade has reached the desired consistency, remove it from the heat. The marmalade is ready. Remove the skewers from the marmalade. If you want to store the marmalade for a long time, fill it into jars while it is still hot. Seal the lids, and turn the jars upside down. This marmalade turned out perfectly. I highly recommend you try it. I look forward to your likes and comments. See you in different recipes. Take care.